Okay, like how is this comfortable, man? Just please tell me. Like I need to understand. How is this a comfortable position to sleep in? Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Alright. Yeah. So with all the YouTube stuff that I've done over the years, I've never been much for vlogging. But I figured today it's kind of an important day. I felt like I wanted to document it. I'm gonna be picking up Wolfgang from the vet. He just had his balls snip, snip, snip. Okay, so as I was saying, I had to call like fucking 10 different pet stores to find a comb. So obviously we don't want Wolfgang to be chewing on his private area because of irritation. And just everybody just didn't have the sizes that we needed. They needed sizes for large dog. Everybody's got small dogs. Express. If you're wondering why I have to have a face shield, we all have to have face shields and masks when we're going into the hall. Express. Oh, I think it should be good. Finally, you know how many stores I had to call? I've been all over the city. So this is for large breeds, right? Okay. See, I'm not much of a vlogger, but I figured it was important to document this. Wolfgang just got his balls snipped, and I had to come to Samora to buy a dog comb so he doesn't chew his area. And now I'm on my way to pick him up. A lot of people wait to have the dog neutered because they want the dog to get bigger, but I don't want him to get bigger, but at the same time he has a condition where one of his balls was still inside his body. After 3-4 months I just noticed he didn't have balls. So
everything will start tomorrow. Everything that Wolfgang needs today has already been given. Also 100% red. So he has 2 incisions behind the penis and in front of the penis. So those are the 2 incisions. You need to clean twice a day with this solution. You don't need to scrub it or rub it. Just spray over the wound and... Wait. I know. Okay,
so out of it. So if I hope he's not in pain because I have to lift him. Well, I guess I can walk him into the car and then he can jump out of the car by himself. Okay, sit.
Oh. Oh. Oh, what happened to you, Wolfgang?
I don't know, they drugged me.
You okay?
How could you do this to me? You just left me here. You just left me here in the morning.
Oh.
It's okay, man. You don't need testicles, okay? And I'm too young to be a grandfather.
Are you sure about that, Dad?
I'm too young to be a granddad. There's a high out of his mind. Super high. No, we're not going for a walk. Let's go. Fucking high, man. He's high, bro. Let's go. Good boy. Alright, so just got this guy. He's just like, it's like he's high. Oh, he is high. He's bumping into my like clumsy. Sit. Good. You can see the food. He just doesn't know how to get to it. Come. Wolfgang, look at me. Come and eat. Just be starving.
Are you ready to be free?
Wolfgang,
Ready to be free? Okay.
after 3 weeks.
Release. Go. Let go of my hand. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, it's stuck. Ugh. Okay. Last. I know. Let go of my hand. Oh. No more. He slept, huh?